body. Hi, we're back. Time to do my hair. We are a little bit tipsy. I'm sweating my ass off, so I don't want to drink anymore. And I got this big pink robe on. So today we are doing this to my hair. Now, you guys have seen some pictures of me in the past with pastel pink hair, and I've had a lot of questions about how I do it because I do it myself. Today I have a professional with me, so I'm obviously gonna let her do it for me because I'm sure that I miss some spots whenever I do it myself. But it is very simple. This is what I buy. It's Ion Bright's Flamenco color, and you can just buy it at Sally's Beauty Supply. Here in Florida with the sales tax, it was $6.41, which is a steal. Now, you can only do this if you already have light blonde hair. I do, so the color goes on really nicely. What would you suggest for brunette?
Don't do this color.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I have had some brunette friends say that they want this too.
It's not gonna happen.
No, it's not gonna happen for you. But for all of my blonde friends out there, this is something that you can do pretty easily yourself at home. It's pretty easy. It doesn't really need to be a step-by-step tutorial today. It's pretty much just an all-over color. So, yeah. Well, Megan and I were just talking about people will buy like neon colors, thinking that it's gonna be pastel or
read your reviews.
Yeah,
get pictures.
Reviews are important. In the spirit of a drunk tutorial, what's a good drunk story we have together?
There's a few.
Yeah. This bitch called me at 12:15 a.m. the night before she's supposed to get on the plane to come here. She's like, I'm sick, I'm throwing up. And I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? Are you okay? She goes, I'm so drunk. I was like, no fucking way. And I was like, well, you better get it together. Like, just go to bed. And you were like, I haven't even packed yet. And I was like, what the hell? I was so upset.
I'm here.
You made it. I'm proud of you. I knew you would.
Forgot a few things. You didn't sleep.
I think my most embarrassing drunk story is when Jake and I were like first dating. And
oh, I think I know this one.
Yeah, you know this one. And I worked a lot. I worked 3 straight doubles over the weekend. So I worked Friday morning, Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday night. And so Sunday night was like my victory shift. And as soon as we got done, there was a couple of coworkers at the restaurant I used to work at wanted to go get drinks after work. And since I had made it to the end of my Sunday night shift and I had Monday and Tuesday off, I was like celebrating. I was like, hell yeah, let's go get some drinks. And Jake came with us and we went to Mooney's and Moore.
That's the best place.
Every time I go to Mooney's, I black out. And then I proceeded to have multiple double Fireball shots and about 3 6-point beers and no food. I had no food the whole entire day.
Girl, you can get $2 pitchers there. Why are you getting Fireball shots?
They were bought for me. My coworkers there, they like kept bringing them to me. And yeah, Jake's like, let's go get IHOP. I'm starving and I'm hammered, so I'm like, me too. Let's go get IHOP. And so we run to the IHOP and More, and I'm so drunk I can't even see the menu. I'm like looking at the menu like this. I'm like, I go, I can't see anything. Like, I can't read any of the menu. And Jake goes, that's why there's pictures. And so the waitress comes over and I go, I want that one. I like point. And I don't know what I ordered or anything like that, but next thing I know, I'm crying in IHOP. So Jake takes me home. And he like is so sweet. He puts me in bed, all that stuff, takes my shoes off, puts the covers on me, everything, and I go to sleep and then instantly just like throw up onto my face, into my hands, and just like I'm like laying down, there's like vomit like running down the side of my face. But luckily it woke me up so I didn't choke and die. And I like vomit all over my face and in the pillow and in my hair. And Jake's like, are you okay? And I'm like, I throw the covers over my head. I'm like, go away. I run into the bathroom, and on the way I see that Jake had already put out like a trash can and a glass of water and a fan, like trying to prevent me from getting sick in the bed, and it's too late. And I just like cry in the shower because that's like all I can function enough to do. Jake came and shampooed my hair for me and was like the nicest human being in the world. I would have left. I would have just left. If the roles were reversed, I would have been like, bye. But he's a great person and he helped me and I recovered the next day. And he's still here. So that tells you how nice Jake is to me. About to match my robe, hell yeah.
My 21st birthday was pretty embarrassing. I went with some salon friends and they got way drunk before I did. That I was dancing by myself on the dance floor and it was like 10 o'clock.
That is so early.
And so I look around, no one's there, and I start like looking for people, and then I found my friend and she was like dancing on the wall, and I just remember the wall was like carpeted and thinking like, ew. I just decided, hey, dancing was fun. I'm gonna go back and do that. And there's this guy that's like dancing all up on me and he looks like real feminine. And he's like, you okay? Do you need anything? I really have to pee. And he was like, you want me to take you? And I was like, yeah, sure. Let's go. Not thinking anything of it. And he legitimately walks me to the women's bathroom, sits me down in the stall. He didn't see anything. Thank God I wasn't that drunk. I mean, yeah, I was, but I don't know what happened. I got lucky.
Right.
And I don't remember what was said, but I just remember thinking like, oh my God, I don't think he's gay now. And then I asked him like, are you gay? And he's like, no. And I come out and I'm just like thinking, oh shit. Like, can you take me to my boyfriend? He's like on the other side of the bar. I don't know if I can make it there myself. And he's like, your boyfriend? Where's he at? Is he big? Yeah, he walked me over there and I just remember I fell. And Jacob was like, what's wrong with her? What'd you do? To this poor guy. And he's like, I'm gonna go now. And he just kind of wanders off. And then this girl gets in my face. And she's like, are you okay? Are they messing with you? Who are these people? Yeah. And I was so drunk, like, I couldn't even talk.
Right.
And Jacob literally got pissed because this girl was in my face and I was, like, about to vomit. And he goes, get out of her face, and kind of, like, shoves her. I was so upset. By the time I got in the car, I was crying. And
Shocker.
I remember Jacob's best friend was with us, and he was like, what's wrong? Are you okay?
And I'm like, no, I'm not okay. They left me, and I was with that guy, and I'm all scared. It's my birthday. I want my friends. These are my friends. Why did you leave me?
I'm in the car, and I'm still, like, crying. And I remember blowing my nose on my backpack. It was a nightmare.
Yeah, we went and ate at Pub W first. And you were like, I don't really feel like drinking. Like, whatever. I'll have, like, a beer. And I was like,
A beer.
I was like, oh, okay, just one beer. Sure, whatever. And I knew the whole night. I was like, I'm getting her drunk. That's for sure. And so we had 2 beers apiece at O'Connell's, which is pretty much, like, enough for you. And then we went... Or no, I mean at Pub W. And then we went to O'Connell's and had 275 pitchers. And we drank 2 of them, 3 of them. And you cried.
And you cried.
I did not cry.
You did cry.
I did not cry.
You normally do cry.
My eyes
She
might have
cried.
watered. I had some,
My
I
eyes.
had something in my eye. Sometimes you need to just go to the bar with your friend and cry. I feel so beautiful right now. I feel like a pink berry. Oh shit! I'm a unicorn. Alright, folks. We're gonna take a little break and let this do its thing, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this is the final product. We didn't straighten or anything like that because I'm getting ready to go to bed. Wine makes me sleepy. Not a particularly thrilling, drunk, oh my god, crazy video because we got wine drunk and we got hot and we got sleepy. But this is how we did my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you, Megan, for doing my hair and letting me do your makeup today. And it was really fun. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Amanda Winks. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.